What's up, YouTube world? Welcome back to Garage Gym Gains. Ricky here, and today we're talking about what's behind me, not the wall of barbells. We've already talked about that, but we're talking about what holds them up, the Rogue gun rack. So to give you a little bit of a background on the Rogue gun rack, if you follow my Instagram, my personal Instagram, you would have seen the buildup of the garage gym during the COVID pandemic, which is still going on. But this was one of the pieces that once I put the gun rack up, it was pretty early, but it made it feel like a cool garage gym. Just because I only had a couple bars on there at a time, I didn't have the full lineup, but it really just it became the centerpiece for the garage gym. Obviously, you could argue that's kind of the rack as well behind me, but this is the first thing that you see when you step in, and it really kind of grabs your attention. It's a good way to store the bars. It obviously doesn't take up any floor space, and the power blocks fit under it really well. The first couple bars I had on here were, I believe, the Cerakote Rogue Ohio Power Bar, the Texas Deadlift Bar, and then the Bare Steel Ohio Power Bar. Wasn't long behind those two, but it just really pulled all the gym together. I think it looks fantastic having the bars stored horizontally versus vertically. I don't have a whole lot of space to do it vertically. I could, but I just like this more. I really enjoy having the Good Days Only flag behind it. I think it was a good spot for that, and again, it just kind of pulls everything together, and I like that saying, so it just all works. Overall, the gun rack has exceptional build quality. There really isn't anything that I would change about it. It's sturdy. It's made out of what feels to be high quality steel. As long as you get it right into the studs like I did, it's not going anywhere. I mean, this has over 350 pounds of bar hanging from it, or about 350 pounds rather, and I'm not worried about it going anywhere. It's in there really well. It does have the UHMW plastic on the inside. That's one of the things that's going to separate it from a couple of the cheaper options. You can get this without the plastic, although I'm not really sure why you would, unless you just don't care about your bars or you're using it for attachments or something like that. I like having the plastic in there because I know it's going to protect the knurling on my bars and it's not going to scratch them up. So I'm pretty excited about that. It does have the Rogue cutout right there. I think it looks really good. I've seen a couple people put like some type of foil. I think it was Coop from Garage Gyms, I'd assume, put a foil in there or some type of metallic material that made it look like stainless steel. You could probably do that with any color. You could use Christmas paper, whatever. It might look a little tacky or it might look pretty cool. It just kind of depends. I haven't done that yet, but I feel like I should. It would just help the logo pop out a little bit more. So I like the build quality of the Rogue gun rack. I like the way it looks. It functions well. Obviously, it's holding the bars. It's not going anywhere, assuming you get it into the studs. But the next thing to cover is the price. So this is the Rogue gun rack V2. I don't know the difference between the V1 and the V2. You can't get the V1 from Rogue anymore. Maybe you can get it used. Again, I'm not sure what the difference is, but you have two purchasing options on this. You can get without the plastic, it's going to be $52. With the plastic, it's going to be $98. So it is a big price jump to get the plastic. However, like I said earlier, I think it's completely worth it. Overall, I think the rack is worth the price. I really enjoy having it in here. Again, I think it looks absolutely awesome. And that's not something to take lightly. If your space is inspiring you, you're gonna train harder, you're gonna wanna be in your home gym, and it's not gonna be a waste. So I would completely recommend this. I will try to link it down below, but overall, I think it's a really sweet way to store your bars. As always, thank you for watching today's video. If you found it helpful or entertaining, please hit the thumbs up below. Subscribe if you want more garage gym content, and hit that little bell so that you get notifications when I upload. We're trying to upload about 3 times a week, and so far, we've been doing a pretty good job of that. Check out the podcast as well, Garage Gym Gains. Follow us on Instagram, garage_gym_gains. And until next time, we'll see you later. I still don't know what it's going to be, Full disclosure, I'm wearing the same outfit as the last video. I just filmed it beforehand. At the end of that one, I was talking about how I need a catchphrase at the end of the video, and hey, that was about 10 minutes ago, so I still don't have one.